This video will demonstrate how to create bibliographies with NoteScribe. When it comes to creating a bibliography for a research paper or a presentation, having all of your sources already created in NoteScribe will make it much quicker to generate a bibliography. So I'm going to show you how to create a bibliography really quick. The first thing we want to do is go up to File and select Create Bibliography. This will pull up our Create Bibliography window. As you can see, all of our previously created sources are displayed in the Available Sources box, and we want to get them over here to the Selected Sources box. So let's say we are creating a psychology report bibliography. We'd want to take all of our psychology sources and move them over here. To do that, all you have to do is double-click the source, and let's go ahead and do that with all of our psychology related sources. Or you have the option where you can select all of your sources to move them over there, or you can clear all of your sources. If you make a mistake, double click and it'll send it back over. But we want to keep that one over here for now. Once you've selected the sources for your bibliography, next thing you want to do is format your sources. As you know, a lot of academia has their own format for every field. Psychology uses APA style. So we're going to make sure that all of our sources are set for APA style by clicking this button. And as you can see, all of our sources automatically switch into APA. Let's say, for example, one of them was in MLA style. It would now be in APA style, since this changes all of your sources into that particular style. Next, we're ready to save and generate our bibliography. So let's hit the Save Print button. And this is what your bibliography would look like if you were to print it out. This is a complete bibliography, and you really don't have any other work to do beyond this other than to print it or save it. And I'll show you how to do that really quick. To print it, all you have to do is go to the print preview to make sure it's exactly the way you want it. And if you zoom in, you can see what it's going to look like when you print it out. You also have the option to edit the text. If you were to highlight some, you could go into options and change sources font. And it's just typical font variation, as you can do that. But for now, we're just going to keep it at the default of 14. And also, you can save your bibliography. You can go to Save as Document, and you can save it as an RTF file, which will allow you to open it up in other programs such as Microsoft Word. If you'd like to attach it to your actual research project, then you can have it as a Word document and access it through that, or print it off through that, or edit it in that if you're more comfortable. So let's save that as Psychology Bibliography, and that'll now be saved as an RTF document. So once again, let's walk through that really quick so I can give you a quick demo of what we just did. We're going to create another bibliography using the same sources. Go to File, Create Bibliography, select our sources by double-clicking, format our sources. We're going to use APA style again. Hit the Save and Print button, and there's our bibliography. From here, we can choose to print it, or we can choose to save it.